Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Nelly and I would like to share with you how to do combi for photo book fold. I had a little hiccup when I was doing my videos, and I missed the first part of the instructions. My video just did not tape, so I hope I can make it happen for you guys and show you how to do this fold. So this is Combi photo book. I already showed you how to do raised photo strip book fold, which is this one. You can see that it's a different style of the fold, and I'll put the link for instructions on this one below, so you can check it out if you are interested. For this fold, we will use paper cutter, we need scissors, we need double-sided tape, either this style or this style, whatever is more comfortable for you guys. Then we will need pattern, which comes as a big stretch photo, and you will have the numbers on the top of the page and on the bottom of the page, so it's easier for you to cut. So once we cut the strips, we'll line up, and you can see I can line up on the top and I can line up on the bottom because of my little markers, and I have a very nice straight cut. Line up on the top and then on the bottom. Hopefully I won't put my head in there. Top on the bottom, and you will be cutting the strips for the whole pattern. Okay, what I usually do, I cut my pattern full and I put it together so I can just take one by one and work with it as I go. When we have all the strips cut out, then we will fold them in half. I don't score them. I think they are wide enough so you can literally just fold them in half. It probably takes a little bit of practice, but it's not bad. How your hands will take care of it. This kind of pattern, you can actually fold 3 different ways. You can fold it as a full photo pattern, or you can fold it as a raised, or you can fold it as a combi. It's really up to you how you want it to look like. So let me just fold a couple of pages over here, and I am so sorry I have to use my practice book because my big book is done already. All right, you can see the beginning of my pattern. These ones will not work. I don't need it. I think I will cut some more so you can see a little bit more. Line up. Okay. Just fold it quickly. So we can get to the folding now. All right, so we take the book, and as I said, we can fold it three different ways. On the top of the strip, you will see a little line underneath of the number, not the first one but the second one. Cut the strip where the second line is, right there, and that will be the top of your page. The bottom, it really doesn't matter in this case. You can cut it if you want. If you are doing combi, you can cut it anytime. Then take a tape, let's do just a normal strip as we would do normally. All right, so now you can decide what you want. If you want a full strip and you want it to look like this, then you cut just the bottom. So you would cut just the bottom of the page and you would be done. If you want it to look like this, then you will cut it over here and fold it to the depth that you marked. But we are doing combi, so we will be folding, you can see top and the bottom of the pattern. So we will just take and fold it 90 degrees. You can look at the lines so it's nice and straight on the lines. And now we have a bottom of the page here, and we will mark it right there, and that will be our first fold. That's how it will look. Let's take another. We will cut where the line is, and we can cut it over here too, because it doesn't matter on the bottom. If you're doing combi, make sure that you line it up right up here, push in and press. Now we see that the pattern starts over here. You can push it a little bit so the paper is a little bit softer, depends on the paper. There we go. And on the bottom it ends over here. There we go. Crease it, and that's how it is. We have another page. Again, just cut and cut on the bottom. Make sure that it's aligned with your page, because that's where the design will start, right? We have a top where you're starting over here. And you can use the lettering to line your page nice and straight. This is the bottom. That's where my pattern ends. And again, line up with the wording. That's how it looks. Let's do two more, and then I will show you in the next quick videos how the book is growing. Okay, not this one, but the second line. We'll line up with our page. Then again, we'll fold where it starts. Now we'll fold where it ends. how it is. It's starting to grow. Let's do the last one. Cut on the line. Make sure it's aligned. We'll fold right there. And we'll fold right here. And that's what we have done. So that's the beginning of the bottle. As you can see, it's very nice. It will give you that nice white edge. So those are the first 5 pages of the bottle. And as you continue, it will grow. So I will show you and finish the book for you. I had 2 pages on each side. You can put strips over there and just make a small short ones if you want, but I will just fold the pages on the front and back. I have 2 pages left. Instead of white strips, I'll just hide those 2 pages. I'll just fold them, both of them inside. That will be hiding, and it will be shorter than the pages that I have, so it will not bother anything. You cannot see it. It will not bother design or anything else. And as you can see, they are much shorter than others. So when you are cutting the bottom strips, you could probably see it. Just make sure that you don't cut the numbers too much up, so it will give you this nice white strip. So the bottle is done. I think it looks pretty nice. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.